Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw funds from Bitmart to your bank account in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or a pro trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you're logged into your Bitmart account. Head to the Bitmart website, enter your credentials, and enable two-factor authentication for added security. It's a must in 2025 to protect your assets from any potential risks. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. This is where you'll see all your holdings. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and click on the Withdraw button. Next, you'll need to enter your withdrawal details. Carefully input your bank account information, such as your account number, routing number, or IBAN, depending on your region. Double-check everything to avoid any delays or errors. Bitmart might ask you to verify your identity or set withdrawal limits, so make sure you've completed any KYC requirements beforehand. After that, review the withdrawal amount and check for any fees. Bitmart typically charges a small processing fee, which can vary based on the asset and network. Once you're satisfied, hit the Confirm button. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification, and the funds should arrive in your bank account within minutes to a few days, depending on blockchain confirmations and bank processing times. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your funds. Remember, always stay cautious with your crypto transactions. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.